First, I would like to address the Lother family and let you know that the community is grieving with you. I hope you know that. Also, I would like to commend the officers of the Portage County Sheriff's Department and especially Detective Krieger from the Ravenna Police Department, who did a wonderful job in this case. They should be commended. Mr. Oliver, pursuant to the sentencing guidelines, the court finds that you are not amenable to community control sanctions. Therefore, the court sentences you to the Ohio Department of Corrections, 10 years for aggravated robbery, the felony of the first degree, 10 years for aggravated burglary, a felony of the first degree, and life in prison on the murder conviction with eligibility, excuse me, eligibility after 15 years to parole. Those said terms shall run consecutive to one another due to the necessity of the court to protect the people of this community and to properly punish you. Said punishment is not disproportionate to the conduct of you, Mr. Oliver, and to the danger that you pose the community. The harm that you inflicted Mr. Lother and his family, as well as the psychological harm to the community of Rootstown, the residents of Portage County, especially the elderly and those living in the rural areas, is so great that a single term does not adequately reflect the seriousness of the defendant's conduct. I have seen no remorse, no pity, no sign of accountability. Therefore, consecutive sentences are warranted. Mr. Oliver and his co-defendants not only stole the life of Mr. Lother, but they also have stolen the innocence of the Rootstown community, as well as the rest of Portage County. You will be subject to post-release control on the aggravated burglary charge, which is a felony of the first degree, and the aggravated robbery charge, a felony of the first degree, of the post-release control period of 5 years. If you violate the terms of the post-release control, you could receive an additional term not to exceed 50% of your original term on the aggravated robbery and the aggravated burglary. The possible penalty could be up to 10 years. Mr. Oliver, you have the right to appeal your jury trial as well as this sentence. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
Sir, if you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If you cannot afford to pay for transcripts or other documents necessary for your appeal, those items will be provided for you at no expense. Are you requesting at this time an attorney to be appointed to address your appeal issues?
Yes.
Sir, as we will appoint an attorney to represent you in your appeal process as a convicted felon, you may not own or possess any firearms. Do you have any questions, sir?
Not at all.
Mr. Reeves, anything else?
Nothing further.
Anything else on behalf of the state, Mr. Buchanan and Mr. Oldham?
That's all, Your Honor.
Again, the Lother family, know that we all feel for you and understand your pain. Thank you.
All right.